Let's talk very quickly about another name that's on the move this morning. That's Virgin Galactic. The stock is up in excess of 20%. In my mind, it's kind of part of the whole crypto meme SPAC trade, and now it is literally a SPAC. But Brian Sozzi, over the weekend, Virgin Galactic with a test flight. That's it, just a test flight. Thing went up in the air. It's not exactly into space, but it's certainly not the height of a commercial flight. And that's good for a 20% rally on the stock, and I guess maybe keeps the timetable in place for Sir Richard Branson, to get onto a Virgin Galactic, are we going to call him a rocket plane at this point, and go up to that suborbital flight.
Just call it something cool that goes straight up in the air, Myles. But worth noting here, you noted the stock price on Virgin Galactic up about 22% in the pre-market. It had been up 36%, so something to keep in mind there. Maybe perhaps some momentum being lost off of this weekend news, but it's just very important, I think, for a company like this that is hemorrhaging large sums of money as they try to ramp up spaceflight, to show something positive like this. Let's keep in mind, it was late December last year where they announced a lot of technical problems, and the stock price went essentially straight down. They had to pull back on taking ticket purchases for space tourism. Ultimately, due to more problems in the first half of this year, they pushed out commercial space travel into 2022. By all indications, Sir Richard Branson is poised to be on some form of flight here by the summer, so that is the next milestone.
The one thing I would say about Virgin Galactic, I don't have a view in particular on the specifics of the company, but of course it is the only and most direct way to make a bet like this, right? You can't buy Blue Origin shares, you can't buy SpaceX shares. You can buy various space ETFs, you can buy suppliers, you can buy satellite companies. But in terms of the sort of trio of high profile space companies, this is your choice, Myles.
Yeah, I did enjoy, there was a period, I think it was 2018, 2019, we had a bunch of, space derivative ETF type people coming through the shows. They all buy General Dynamics and Boeing. So it all ends up being defense contractors anyway. But you get a little bit of the little bit of the fun, call option, let's call it variety, with your Virgin Galactic position in that kind of a set.